What on earth are these fruit things? Look at this. And they pop like they're completely hollow on the inside. What the heck is this? This is like the darndest thing. There's a lot of like fruit made of little air pockets. See if I can get one that without popping it. Yeah, see, and then break it on this side. Yeah, and when you look inside, it's like you have the seedlings, but it's just otherwise full of air. I guess the strange plants of Cook Island. So evidently these are called a balloon plant, or well, they actually have multiple potential names. The balloon plant is only, is one of them, but they're actually native to like certain parts of southern Africa, but they've been I'm here in the Cook Islands in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, pretty far away from Africa. So these were introduced at one point, and now they've said in the 90s, and now they've been naturalized. But yeah, so I guess fun little poppable fruits. Like I said, these are called, they have multiple different names, cotton plants. Another name for it is evidently hairy balls, which is, very much satisfies your inner middle schooler. But I guess it is accurate. I mean, it is a ball, and you can kind of see there's all these little hairs, so it is an accurate way to describe it. But I guess the more you know. So here, oh, that one was kind of a dud. Maybe I'll try another one. There we go. And see all the lack of ooey gooey inside. It's mostly just kind of stems and emptiness with a little bit of the plant parts.